So I'm getting ready to hit the road. I normally do motorcycles, but we're about to hop in the Jeep, and me and the cats are all gonna go home, and I'm gonna show you guys kind of how we do it. We put him in this thing. There's the little guy. Hi. 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 They go in there. It's pretty big. I mean, it's clearly bigger than the boys. And then I load them up in the back of the Jeep with all my stuff, and then we go. And they usually do pretty good. They meow and cry a little bit, but they're usually pretty good after a bit. Since it's just me, my suitcase can go like down there, and then I have snacks. Everything else is just like empty. But then with their food, because their kennel fills up the whole back, like the entire thing. So I put their food up in this like little nook there, and I haven't had it like be problematic or anything yet. And I put other stuff there, and it like goes down into the little crevice, and then in this whole back they just get to hang out. For their litter box, I take one of these on trips because it has the layers, and this is like a mesh, so that the litter can fall through, and then you can just take the solids and chuck them. I do take a little scooper, but I've never really had to use it when I take them, because I just do that and chuck it and then clean it when I get home. So I always take a full-size litter box because they're full-size bubbas. But that's their car life. We only usually go for a couple hours at a time when we're traveling, and then when we get stopped, we set everything up and get them feeling all happy. You excited for your adventure? What about you, Brisk? You excited? And here we are, all loaded up. They got their litter box in there. Oh, but Brisket's in there, but I can't really see where he's at with the glare. But yeah, let's see if we can peek a camera. There's Brisket and Clem and their litter box and their blanket and their bed. Alright, we're about to hit the road. So we're all loaded up. I got the AC on 180% blast, it feels like. So they don't get too warm. And then we're just gonna start heading on out and go do adventure cat stuff. So normally when I'm driving, I put on audiobooks and listen to that while I'm cruising. But I usually don't do that until I get like going. But I've been listening to some Jeremy Robinson again lately. Super good. I'm listening to Flux currently. I recommend it. Just got gas at Maverick in Wendover, where gas is way cheaper than back in Elko. Clear gas is cheaper than regular there. But we're heading out back on the adventure. About another hour and a half or so, maybe 2 hours, depending on if there's any type of traffic or construction or anything, and we'll be back in Utah. What an exciting time to be alive. Excuse my busted ass windshield. That's something I'm getting fixed as soon as I get home. I've been counting down the days. Well, it's just after 7 o'clock, almost 8, and it's time for me to take the Jeep down to get the windshield replaced. I got home kind of late last night, but we're gonna take it in and get that giant crack sorted out, and then we'll be sitting pretty.
I don't know how this will sound. This is the new mic setup, new everything setup. GoPro with the media mod. Got my mic all routed through my helmet. It's quite windy and loud, so hopefully this will be a good shakedown test of it. Looks like the crickets are coming back, man. Okay. They're going the opposite way now, I guess. Gross things. Probably kind of hard to even see them. There's like all these little okay. I don't know where all these cops are going or coming from. I don't know what happened. What a nice morning. It is so gorgeous today. I don't know what the temperature is, but it's got to be like 75, 80. I got my windshield fixed when I was back at home, but now I'm back for work. I was so excited. I was just completely stoked. That thing broke when I bought the Jeep, and it's been broke for 14,000 miles. I got my first rock chip at 700 miles on the dot. I was so pissed. But now it's all fixed and beautiful. And to celebrate, I rode the motorcycle. We're riding to work, getting our Harley-Davidson on. Finally found a good option for earbuds in here. I was wearing some wired RHAs, and they were pretty good. But they have like this loop that goes over your ear, and every time I put my headphone on, it would like pull down over my ear and be just painful. But I picked up some Beats Studio Plus, and they fit perfectly in the helmet, and they're easy to put on with the helmet on. They get a little bit jostled sometimes, but if they do, I can just stick my hand in and like readjust them. I got the GoPro wired up how it should be. I got the microphone all wired through my helmet and right up to my old yapper. Somebody half-ass painted these lines in. They weren't here before, now they are, and they look like shit. Look at us. Cruising now.
See, I'm trying to keep it cool while I'm
took a cricket to the knuckle. It didn't hurt, but it bounced. The crickets have returned. I wish I could take the GoPro off and hold it close. Oh my god. Look at all those. Oh my jeez. Yikes. Don't get no idea. Something I've noticed about this little Sportster is it is fun if you just roll it out through the gears, like just let it run. Like it's way more fun than shifting at 3,000 RPM. Just let it run 5,600, 6,000, whatever. I am pretty confident that if I end up keeping it, I'm going to put the 1275 kit in it though. It's not that much money. And the power gains are huge. Ending up with 1275 cc's of power out of this. I think you get like 60 foot-pounds of torque and like 70 horsepower or 80 horsepower or something. I don't know. Took up the whole damn lane. Okay, bye.